Welcome to the shop today. You're looking at one of the dirtiest instruments I've ever seen of all time. Look at that thing. I mean, this thing is just caked. It's probably been sitting in somebody's garage and possibly exposed to the weather, but it's a Silvertone. You can take a look at the condition of the bass. I'm just going to do a quick cleanup and a bit of a setup on this thing. We're going to use the same strings, get it back in shape, back in business. Let's take another look at how dirty this is. It's just it's a mess. Let's look at the back of some interesting markings, and looks like it's in okay condition. Plays pretty nicely. We'll be back with it all cleaned up. That's about all I'm going to do. Frets all polished. Look at that. What a difference. So now we'll put a little bit of oil on the fretboard. Make this all come back to life. I don't want to use too much. It's really important to keep the wood treated well. You know, this stuff is exposed wood. It's not finished, so we use oil to preserve it. This is no, that's a solid fretboard. Sometimes they do laminated fretboards on these, but this one is an actual solid piece of what appears to be rosewood. Look at that. What's up? And again, go back over it with the rag to knock any residual oil, and you can see bright and shiny they are, and then they get kind of dull where the oils hit them. So these are wiped off. Here we go. We're bringing it back to life. Alright, a little bit of guitar polish, put the strings back on, and we'll be ready to roll. Here it is, all cleaned up. All the metal's cleaned, the controls cleaned. Check the electronics, they all work. Frets polished, neck oiled. Did a setup on the neck. 12 thousandths here at the 7th fret. String action here at the 17th is 6/64ths, 5/64ths, and these two 4/64ths. And you can see it's all clean, ready for sale.